Before creating image thumbnail, let us understand what the thumbnail is in the web page. It is nothing but a small image which when clicked shall open up in a new tab with the image at full screen. We can see that it is getting opened at a new tab. When we click on the image, the new tab will show the image which can be zoomed in or zoomed out. So image thumbnail has a link which on clicking it opens a new page which is a full image. So coming to the HTML and CSS portion to implement this image thumbnail. First let me give a heading for the page as demonstration of image thumbnail, styling to make it display at the center. Let me give a paragraph which acts as an instruction to say click on the image to get a full view of the image in a new page. This is just to have the meaningful information on the web page. Heading 1 is aligned to the center and we have a paragraph which has click on below image thumbnail to open up a new window and view full size image. Let us just preview at this level of what we are getting. As expected, the heading demonstration of image thumbnail is in the center of the web page and the paragraph is displayed. Now below this paragraph we will put our thumbnail. As we have seen, thumbnail is enclosed within the link. So here the link is ahref and I have the image parrot.jpg and within them I am having the image source which is again the same parrot.jpg. In short, image is enclosed within the link. And going for the styling portion, as the image is the thumbnail, we will give styling information for the image. I would like to have the image in a relative position from the top 100 pixel and from the left 100 pixel. Also the width of the thumbnail should be defined. Here I am giving it as 40 pixel. Usually the thumbnail will be smaller in the size. The thumbnail will be having the border of 2 pixel and it is solid with the color of gray. So I have given styling for the image with relative position and size in terms of width and its border. I have slightly zoomed it to get the better visibility. The width is the important parameter for the thumbnail so that the image is small in size. So image is enclosed within the link href and we have given target as _blank, which will ensure on clicking the image the link will open in a new file. Now let us see the demonstration in our Explorer. We have the header 1, we have the paragraph, click on below image thumbnail to open up a new window and view full size image. The image which is enclosed within the link is displayed. When I click, it opens a new window which is having the full size of the image, to which I can zoom in and zoom out. It has opened in a new window because we have given in link href target as underscore blank. This makes the image under link to open in a new page. So this way we can create an image thumbnail for our web page.